Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to upload an image in Adobe Cycle Designer. So let's start. In order to work on Adobe Cycle Designer, go to T-code SFP. So this is our form. Click on change mode. Go to layout. So you have two options here. You can click on the layout button over here, or you can simply go and click on layout. I usually prefer this way. So to upload an image, we have two options here, image and image field. So the difference between image and image field is that image is a static variable, whereas image field is a dynamic variable. So to upload an image, just drag and drop, double click on it, it's the path, and you can upload it from the desktop. I have an image on desktop, so you can just increase the size a bit and click on preview PDF button. So your image is ready. So this is the way in which you can upload a static image in your form. The second option is using the image field. So in image and image field, you can see that if you click on the image, there's no binding option available here, whereas you have the URL path. And the second option is image field. So you can see the binding option here. For now, in our forms, we have no variable, so it's showing nothing here. In order to add a variable and then to bind that variable to the image field so that we can display the image, we have to go to the properties, then interface. Yes, we want to save the changes. And then in the global data, first, let's go to the change mode. You have to declare a variable, LV logo type. You can declare any variable. For example, I've declared LV logo and the type should be X string. Now go to code initialization. So we will be using two methods here. So the first method is by using a class that is CLSSF XSF utilities, and the second method is by using the another class and getting the data of the logo by meme type. So in the first method, we will just call the class ABAP objects. Sorry, I clicked on message. And ABAP objects class should be CLSSF XF utilities, and the method of this class is get PDS graphic as BMP. So make sure that the image that is stored in your computer should be BMP image. We'll look into it if the image that we are using is BMP or not. So here you can see we have four variable, that is P object, P name, ID, P type, and then a receiving variable P BMP. So the receiving variable, we can use our own variable which we have just declared, that is LV logo. And for these, we will go to the transaction code SE78. SE78 is the transaction which is usually used to upload the image into SAP system. So click on BMP image, and here you can just click on search. And here you can see the name, the graphic object should be graphics, the graphic ID can be B, the graphic ID should be BMAP. This is bitmap. So execute. Let's see if we have an image that we can use. SAP test logo. We have here nil. Let's check this one. So if no preview is available, you can click on graphic and click on print preview in nail. Okay, let's search another. If we can find another logo, enjoy logo. Let's see if we have enjoy. Okay, let's check another logo. Usually have black and white here. So ED's logo, let's check this one. Okay, this looks good. So if you want to upload an image, you can click on graphic, click on import, and then you can just select an image from your system, but make sure that the image should be bitmap image. Then only you can upload it here. So we are not uploading any image into a system. We have already found an image, that is EDS image. So this is the name of our image. The name of the image is EDS. The object name, if we click, we go back. So this is the graphic object. So we will use this one, graphics. PID, graphic ID is bmap. So we'll just copy and paste bmap. So p type, if you don't know what is the p type, we can look it in this way. Go to the class display, and then we have here get PDS graphic as BMP is a method, and then click on the parameter, click on p type. This is the associated type. Double click on this value range. So we have two value range here, bmon and bcol. Bcol is for the color bitmap and bmon is for the black and white. So usually it is a black and white, so we'll use the bmon. Otherwise it might throw an error. So we are calling this class. So exception is already uncomment. We should comment the exception in case if exceptions are raised. So yeah, that's ready. We are calling this class. The object type is graphics. P name EDS logo, bmap, and it's the bmon is the black and white image. So let's activate this. And you can also just add this variable as output variable here. Click on activate again. Go back. Click on context. And now you can see that you have that variable which we just now created into our global data. Now to upload an image, click on our form, then create and click on the graphic. Now you have to change the graphic reference here from graphic reference to graphic content. Click on enter. Yes, we want to change the type. And now in the field, just drag and drop over the new variable. And here you have to just maintain the image BMP because a BMP image. So we will just write this in a capital letter. Sometimes it might throw error. Okay, BMP, sorry. So image BMP. Now click on layout. Now in image field, in the binding option, you have a option here, graphic. So maybe you can change the name. Sometimes you have other graphics also, so it's better to name it logo. Go back. And now you have LV logo. So you have binded this image field to a variable LV logo. So whatever the content LV logo will have, it will display the image dynamically. So let's just execute it. Activate it. And now let's execute. Yeah. Local printer name, print preview. So there you go. It is. So now our other image is not visible. Why? For that, you have to click on embedded image data. And here also, if you want, that is optional. But you can click if you want. And if you don't want this image field, you can just remove this. And if you don't want this space also, you can go to palettes, layout. And here you have the option bottom. Bottom is none. So now that is removed. You can also increase the size a bit if you want. Let's increase a bit. And now we will activate it again. And let's execute it. So now both of the images are present. So that's it in this video. In the next video, we will learn the other method, how to upload an image. So thank you.